Now the third part of Ashtanga Yoga is asana. Once you have started practicing Yama and Niyam part of the Ashtanga Yoga, you become eligible to practice the asana, which people actually call all over the world yoga, or few people have started calling it power yoga. But this is just one part of the Ashtanga Yoga or Indian traditional yoga and comes under the asana part. Asana is the third limb of yoga, which means posture. It brings steadiness, health, lightness of limb. A steady and pleasant posture produces mental equilibrium and prevents flicknesses of mind. The yogi knows that the Lord who has given him his body will one day take it away. Asanas by Dr. Kaushik. We are mentioning here few of the important asanas which my teacher used to do. Number one is Tadasana. You can have a look, where the yogi is standing still, straight. The next is Utthita Trikonasana. We will be mentioning here few of the asanas. Utthita Parsvakonasana. These are very good for overall health, and these are basically called the stretches required for the stretch of the body. The stretching of the body is obtained with the help of these asanas. Next is Virabhadrasana. Virabhadrasana. It can be done in two ways. This is part 2 of Virabhadra Asana. Next is Parvottasana. They are very good asanas for the overall stretches of your body. Next is Prasarita Padottasana. Ushtrasana. Padangushthasana, where you touch your feet and you place your head in between your legs, below the knees. Again, it gives a very good stretch to the body. In the later portion, we will also tell you in which disease which asanas are helpful. Padhastasana. Uttanasana. Uttana asana. Shalabha asana. Dhanurasana. Chaturanga Dandasana. Bhujangasana. It can be done in many ways. One is what has been shown here. Urdhva Mukta Shvasana. Shvanasana. Urdhva Mukha Shvasana. Adho Mukha Swasana. दंडासन, परिपूर्ण नवासन, अर्ध नवासन, सिद्धासन, a very good posture for meditation. वीरासन, सुप्त वीरासन, पढ़ा कोणासन, Padmasan. Padmasan is also very useful in meditation practice. Parvatasana, Matsyasana, Baddha Padmasana, योग मुद्रासन, महामुद्रा, जनु शीर्षासन, अर्ध बद्धा पद्म पश्चिमोत्तासन, ट्रायंगा मुखाइकाप पश्चिमोत्तासन, मारीच्यासन, उपविष्टा कोणासन, पश्चिमोत्तासन और उग्रासन, पूर्वोत्तासन, शीर्षासन, ऊर्ध्व दंडासन, सर्वांगासन, हलासन, कर्णपिदा आसन, सुप्त कोणासन, पार्श्व हलासन, एकापद सर्वांगासन, परवैका पद सर्वांगासन, सेतुबंध सर्वांगासन, ऊर्ध्व पद्मासन सर्वांगासन, पिंडासन इन सर्वांगासन, पार्श्व पिंडासन इन सर्वांगासन, परिवर्तनासन, सुप्त पादांगुत्थानासन, Bharadwaj Asana, Marichyasana, Ardha Matsyendra Asana, Urdhava Dhanurasana, Shavasana, lying like a dead body. These were some of the asanas, some of the physical activities which we called asana, which are important for your body health. You can start practicing these things, these asanas, once you are used to of the yam and niyam part of the Ashtanga Yoga. Now the fourth part is the pranayam. Pranayam we will discuss in the next chapter.